Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I've got a new C15 genset install. This is a 700 horsepower generator. I'm going to be showing you just some little pre-checks. This thing has like 30 minutes of runtime. Yeah, right here. 30 minutes of runtime. That's from the factory. They just dyno it. This is going to be the first time that the engine and generator are technically running together. So I've got injection disabled and I've got the generator excitation disabled. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just cranking it over, making sure we build oil pressure, and then I'll hook up the injector harness, start it up, make sure that the engine runs and sounds fine, and then eventually I'll shut it off again. Then I'll hook excitation up and then start it up, make sure we make voltage what we're supposed to be. I've got the breaker open on the generator off, so in case something goes bad, I guess at least the building will be protected. So that's kind of what I'm going to go through today. So remember, this first test, all I'm wanting to see is oil pressure. That's all I'm wanting to see. I've got injection disabled. It's going to be cranking, and I just want to see it building oil pressure, probably somewhere in the teens or 20s. But let's give that a try. And it's gonna run through it again. Okay, I'm personally happy with that. So now I'm going to hook the injectors back up, the injector harness, and let this thing start up. That was kind of, like I said, just to see oil pressure, make sure there's no glaring leaks, like if a seal cracked out of this or something. This engine is technically 3 years old. It's just been sitting around for 3 years, so who knows what's happened and what mice and stuff have gotten inside this thing. But yeah. All right, this is where I have it, just chilling. The injector harness, just gonna pop it back in. Should be good to go, and she'll start up now. Here's the other side of it. So I'm getting ready to start this thing up. Like I said, generator barrel excitation is off, so it should not make voltage. I'll shut it down immediately if I see it start making voltage. Just gonna let it run for probably a minute or so, make sure everything's good, no weird noises, and then we'll proceed from there. Oh yeah, one other thing I forgot, I have not, like I said, this is the first time this thing's gonna be running in about 3 years. The fuel tank was empty for shipment, so I'm gonna prime this guy. All right, so about to give it at least my initial start up. See how it goes. So that's actually what I wanted to see. Generator under voltage shutdown. It'll let it run for 15-30 seconds of being under voltage, and then it'll shut it down for whatever reason. So that's good. I'm probably going to start it up one more time, go check the other side for any leaks or anything crazy, and then I'll hook the generator back up. Okay, so the install is complete of both the generator and the ATS package. I'm going to simulate a power outage now. I'm going to close this breaker obviously, but simulate a power outage, let the generator kick on, ATS transfer the building over to the generator, and take on the load. Hopefully it goes smooth. So here I've got my ATS, my automatic transfer switch. Right now the building is on utility, as you can see, utility available and utility accepted, and then here would be generator available, accepted, or transferred over, whichever. So now I'm going to cut utility power. This is going to send a run command to the generator. It's going to come online, it's going to be available and then accepted, and it might happen really fast to where it just lights up both and switches. So we shall see. Okay, I'm about to walk outside and kill utility, see what happens. Normal failed under voltage. Yep. Very cool. So the generator is on right now. Building is transferred over to it. I don't even know if you can hear it, but I'm going to try to talk loud enough so that you can hear me.